We see motors everywhere, in our homes, our factories, our vehicles, our tools. From the fan cooling your office to the conveyor belt moving product down the line, motors are the driving force behind almost every industry on the planet. But not all motors are built the same. Today we're breaking down two of the most common types you'll come across, AC and DC motors. What they are, how they differ, and which one applies to your application. What they are. Let's start with the basics. An AC motor runs on alternating current, the same type of power that comes straight out of your wall socket. It uses a rotating magnetic field to spin the rotor, which makes it simple, rugged, and low maintenance. That's why you'll find AC motors in pumps, fans, compressors, and conveyor systems, anywhere you need constant, reliable speed. A DC motor runs on direct current, a steady, one-directional flow of power, usually from a battery or a DC power supply. Instead of relying on the incoming current to create motion, it uses brushes and a commutator, or electronic switching in newer designs, to control direction and speed with a lot more precision. That's why you'll see DC motors in applications like electric vehicles, robotics, and variable speed drives. So at a high level, AC motors are built for simplicity and constant speed power. DC motors are built for control and precision. The differences. So now that we know what each one is, let's break down how they actually differ, because this is where it matters for your application. Power source. AC motors run straight off the grid, no conversion needed. DC motors need a rectifier or battery, since they run on direct current. Speed control. This is the big one. AC motors traditionally run at a fixed speed tied to the frequency of the power supply, though variable frequency drives, VFDs, have changed that in modern setups. DC motors, on the other hand, have always offered precise, easy speed control. Just adjust the voltage. Maintenance. AC motors are simple and rugged. Fewer moving parts means less to go wrong. DC motors, especially brushed ones, need more upkeep. Brushes wear down and need replacing over time. Cost. AC motors are generally cheaper to build and maintain. DC motors cost more upfront, especially when precision control is built in. Best use case. If you need constant, reliable power, pumps, fans, conveyors, AC is your go-to. If you need precise control over speed and torque, robotics, EVs, servo applications, DC wins out. So there you have it, AC motors, simple, rugged, built for constant power. DC motors, precise, controllable, built for applications that demand it. Neither one is better, it all comes down to what your application needs. And if you're not sure which one fits your setup, that's exactly where we come in. At TACLE Electrical and Machinery, we help you spec, source, and maintain the right motor for the job. So you're not guessing, you're getting it right the first time. If this helped clear things up, drop a like, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and let us know in the comments. AC or DC, what are you running?